The Compounding Effect. Ampstart Your Income, Your Life, Your Success by Darren Hardy. Maybe you've seen the TV classic Let's Make a Deal. Contestants dress up in outlandish costumes, hoping to be chosen as participants, play some games of chance, and win prizes. Every show ends with the big deal, which offers the top winners of the day a chance to trade their winnings in for what is behind door number 1, door number 2, or door number 3. It all rests on your choice. Well, Darren Hardy would agree that it all rests on your choices actually, but it isn't a once-in-a-lifetime choice of chance. What truly separates the successful from the unsuccessful are the seemingly inconsequential choices you make each and every day. In Darren Hardy's formula, small, seemingly insignificant steps completed consistently over time will create a radical difference. This book is practical and inspiring, giving guidance in order to catapult you into the abundant life you desire. But he doesn't share a shortcut or quick fix because, according to him, there isn't one. It's all about being consistent, one day at a time, in the crucial but mundane tasks of life. And not only mundane. Hardy tells you to expect hard work, frustration, and moments of feeling totally defeated. You see, he reminds us that nobody owns success. Think of success as being rented, and the rent is due every day. You do not become successful by performing heroic or brave acts or by amassing unusable knowledge. You become successful when you focus on each of those daily decisions where your willpower needs to be engaged and your core values and goals are always the target in your sights. Choices are based on your core values, and because of that, Hardy suggests that you check your belief system. Are your beliefs and core values getting in the way? Like great software that is buggy on a faulty operating system, perhaps your belief system is making self-improvement principles glitch for you. You see, your belief system dictates how you interpret the world. Hardy says to think of your belief system as the prism through which you view the world. The prism can become your prison. If you are viewing the world as difficult, ugly, and against you, that belief system will cage you in suffering, fear, and failure. The opposite is also true. The belief prism does not affect your business success only, but your ability to enjoy life, have loving relationships, and seize opportunities. Your identity itself is built on your belief system. Limiting beliefs falls into these categories. Hopelessness. It can't happen for me. Helplessness. I don't have the ability. I am weak and fearful. And worthlessness. I don't deserve it. I am not good enough. If these sound familiar to you, spend some time assessing your beliefs. Identify what beliefs you hold that are getting in the way of your goals. Then draw a line in the sand, today. Immerse yourself in a new belief system, a positive one that is prosperity-based. It must proclaim that you are worthy and capable. It won't be easy at first, but Hardy says, in the face of fear, do it anyway. Your new belief system will open you to assess what really matters to you. What do you love and what do you hate? Both are very motivational and expose your core values. You may love justice and hate unfairness, for example. Use both love and hate to identify your core values because these become the why power that propels your willpower and directs your daily choices. Core values are the GPS for your actions in life. To support consistent choices aimed toward your goals and based on your core values, Hardy shares some practical directives and exercises. 1. Be a tracker. Get a journal or notebook and record where you are going, and each incremental step you take. The back of the book has other written exercises to help direct your daily efforts as well. These include assessments of your life in general, your core values, your gratitude, and your habits. There are also inventories of your input influences and your associations. Hardy leaves no stone unturned, and he is certain that writing things down gets you much closer to your goals. Most of these worksheets are available for free at www.thecompoundeffect.com/free. 2. Work on habits. Habits are choices on autopilot, and some research claims that up to 95% of our choices are handled by habits. Hardy realizes that changing habits can be done several ways, and the most effective way differs for different personalities and situations. For some, tackling one habit at a time is most successful. For others, or in specific situations, a whole group of habits might be better tackled all at once. Say, for instance, that your weekend habits are all connected. Eating unhealthy foods, binging, playing video games, all done with a certain group of people. Because of the difficulty in eliminating one negative habit in this context, the whole context may need to go. 3. Build an accountability system. One reason Hardy suggests tracking is because you can more easily hold yourself accountable, but the truth is, you will need outside accountability as well. This could be a success buddy that you meet with, share notes with, and mutually support. It could be a competitive group that agrees to all work toward a specific goal, or you may go public and have an audience on social media or within a specific group monitoring your success. Outside accountability will be there when you falter, so put it in place. 4. Make friends with Mr. Mo. Mr. Mo is momentum, and Hardy suggests he is a great friend to keep. A good example of the power of momentum is Dave Ramsey's debt snowball, which directs indebted clients to list their debts from smallest to largest and start paying off the smallest first. Many question the rationale behind this technique, thinking it would be wiser to check interest rates or penalties on the various debts, but Ramsey was counting on the power of momentum. As clients felt success, they felt more and more motivated and gained power and momentum to tackle the bigger and bigger debts. You will find this true for you too. Your changes will be most difficult at first, but the beauty of the compounding effect is that momentum will join with increasing successes that you experience and will propel you forward. Master daily routines so that their momentum can keep you moving forward even when you falter. 5. Bookend your day. This is my favorite because it's a way to begin and end your day on a positive and stable note. Even when you are most on top of your game, some days can throw unexpected challenges your way. Sometimes you function well and sometimes you do not. Aside from the details of the day, make sure you have established a healthy and comfortable morning and evening routine. Make sure to include gratitude, some form of recognizing blessings and goodness. These routines are like bookends and help begin and end your day on a positive note that supersedes what may have been a chaotic day. Positive bookends can help you rest better, maintain relationships, and preserve a positive outlook. Life isn't like Let's Make a Deal, where one big choice, based solely on chance, seems to be able to make or break you. Life is made up of numerous, seemingly inconsequential choices, and you can consciously decide to take control of them, jumpstarting your income, your life, your success.